What's up, everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today we got another unboxing for you. This time it's the HyperX Allow FPS RGB. It's basically an upgrade to the Allow FPS that we reviewed in the past with some other fancy bells and whistles, which we'll get into in the full review, so make sure you subscribe. They also sent along this little wrist rest from HyperX, probably because while I was at a trade show, I mentioned that I never used anything other than a wrist rest, so they probably said, hey, you should use a HyperX one. So we'll touch upon this in this unboxing and the full review, but remember, the review is about this thing, and the unboxing that we're doing right now is about the Allow FPS RGB, which this is right here, and it is a box, so let's open it up. Let's take out the trusty knife. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright. Open that thing up here, open that thing up, and we will open this up here, and open this up here, and now you got to put the knife away. You got to be safe. Boom. So let's open up the Allow FPS RGB. Ooh. Packaging is very important, especially when you're in retail. There you go. When you open the box, that's what you get. Pretty nice. All right, let's see what's. Let's open this. Keyboards are always stuck in here. Okay. Keyboard's out. We'll open that up in a second. Got some literature here. What else we got here? Oh, cable, which is, interestingly enough, it's still mini USB. Let's see how long the cable is. This thing up here, see how long the cable is. It's pretty long, I can tell already, but let's see how long it is. Here we go. So, oh, we got two connections, two USB connections on it now. It needs more power, I'm sure, that's why. So that's interesting. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's about 6 feet, I would say. 6 foot cable, mini USB. Let's take a look at the keyboard. And here's the keyboard itself. You can see things I really like about like HyperX keyboards in general is like they're not big. They're gaming keyboards, but they're not big. You can see pretty slim profile, and there you go. No extra stuff on the top and the sides and stuff, so they'll fit in a regular keyboard tray and such. And these are different mechanical keys. They're not reds. They're called silver speed keys. So first time I'm ever using this. Feels okay. I heard the actuation point's a little above where it was on the reds or the browns or the blacks or the blues. So it'll be probably a little interesting to get used to, but you should subscribe and you can see the full review in a few weeks. It will be a few weeks this time. Promise. So that's the keyboard, and we'll give that a shot in a full review soon. Let's look what the wrist rest is. Open this up. It's a wrist rest. It's a flat wrist rest, and we're going to give this one a shot too. It's literally a... There's another reason I like HyperX products, and it's purely subjective. It's because red and black are my favorite colors. So you can see that this is black with red stitching. Pretty much goes with my motif that I like here, red and black. So we'll give the keyboard a full review in a little bit, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's in the bottom right, I think. Me facing you. Whatever, it's down here. I know that it's down here, I think. Whatever, we'll figure it out. It's either there or there. I don't really remember. But remember, hit that subscribe button, leave some feedback. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to stay tuned for the full review.